So for today's video, I'm going to unbox and review my very first set of OHUHU markers. So let's jump into it. Now let's try to my drawing, and I'm going to share my thoughts about these markers later in this video. So make sure to watch until the end, brothers and sisters.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper. try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try so hard. Tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try.
I was worried you blowed my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. Just wear a finger for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you make glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them.
We are almost done, and now it's time for the marker review show. By the way, this is not sponsor of OHUHU Marker, but I wish one day they will. So let's start. What are the good things about these markers? First thing that I noticed is packaging. It looks good quality compared to all my previous markers. And they even include a marker manual, which is very useful, especially for beginners. The second good thing is this card. I never had this before, and also this plastic that is very useful so that the marker ink will not bleed to the next page. The third good thing is the marker itself. It really feels good to my hand, and the cap is easy to remove and turn it back compared to other cheap alcohol markers. Fourth is all marker have equal ink. Compare again to all other cheap alcohol marker that I just bought. 1 or 2 pieces of alcohol markers are completely dry. Fifth is color layering and blending. It does really do a good job with it, as you can see in this drawing. So the bad things about these markers for me are: first thing is the price. I wish they make it a little less because I bought it in Amazon for about $55 for a set of 80 pieces, while the other cheap alcohol markers is only $15 for a set of 80 pieces, which is almost 4 times the price in OHUHU. The second bad thing is there's not much skin color on this 80 pieces set, which is a bit challenging, especially when coloring an anime drawing. That's all for my marker unboxing review show, and I hope you found it useful. So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.